Hi, welcome to Beaver's Greenhouse Village. My name is Jake and I am absolutely thrilled to be able to take you on this adventure today. The plants have finally started to arrive, and as you can see, we have plants and more plants. Those of you who want to see some more aerial shots of the snow, there it is for you. And now we're done with that. So let's look at all the plants that are here. Let's look at the action going on. And you don't have to listen to me ramble on anymore because we have got a lot of exciting video footage to show you of this first week of production. Thank you so much for spending the last few minutes on this adventure with me. I hope that you were encouraged and inspired, and I can't wait to show you more growth coming out of the greenhouses in the weeks to come. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you again next week.